Hi, welcome back on the But Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check the RAM, storage and memory in your Galaxy M15. To this operation, slide up, go to settings and search for the option name device care. Yeah, that's right. There is a memory here. Enter it. And that you will see that you have a 4 GB RAM and there is 2.8 GB in my case is used right now, and you reserve half gigabyte for now. Yep, so you can clean up to gain the RAM and having much more RAM available. And as you see, it's 800 megabytes available. You can check the memory resident apps as we clean it, so we don't have any. You can exclude apps if you don't wish to close it. And there is a RAM Plus. So the RAM Plus uses the memory storage space to provide virtual memory virtual memory to allow your apps to stay open in background. Choice less virtual to keep more storage space free. Great. So that's all about the RAM. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.